Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin on Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus device. So just to do that, we should first launch the settings app and then scroll down to the security and privacy section. After that, scroll here down and go to the other security settings. Then you'll see the first section. This is the setup SIM card lock section. Just to lock our SIM card with the SIM pin, we should use the switcher. Just click once on the switcher, and now we should enter our currently SIM pin code. In my case, that will be from 1 to 4. After that, tap to OK, and now we just successfully logged our SIM card with the SIM pin code. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.